So, my entry level career would be a phlebotomist. I chose phlebotomy because I've always wanted to work in the healthcare field, and I feel this would give me a good idea of whether or not I wanted to further my education in healthcare. I'm my own worst critic, so I've always been scared of failure as far as nursing school, but I think this would give me a good general idea of whether or not I wanted to take that next step. I am all of these things. I feel like I'm smart and I'm cheerful. I communicate well. I have a high level of patience. I'm compassionate and kind. I work pretty well with people. I have been in service for years and years, and I like working in the public. And I feel like if in this situation, I would be also helping people, um, which leads to this slide. Um, when it comes to helping people, I feel like labs by blood draws are probably one of the most efficient ways to tell what's wrong with somebody. It's one of the first lines of defense as far as what needs to be done or to identify what may be going on. So I would love to be a part of that. I also believe that what I have learned in this class as far as privacy um, helps me know what I can and cannot say, when I can and cannot say certain things. And I also believe that it helped me to understand the difference between fraud and abuse in the healthcare industry.